For this visit to Horseshoe, I stayed in a Resort King room with a high roller view on the 19th floor, which also includes a view of the Las Vegas Sphere. The price point for this room was very low, under $60 including taxes and fees. A great value considering Horseshoe's location. The Horseshoe Resort King Room measures up at a generous 450 square feet. These rooms were remodeled in 2018 when Caesars Entertainment rebranded the property from Bally's to Horseshoe. And at first glance, the room still had a clean, fresh look to it. These rooms also have some notable amenities. Bedside, there are plenty of power outlets and a charging dock. Loved it. Plus, something I haven't seen in a Vegas hotel room for quite a while, a Bible. This could be very helpful. I may need to redeem my soul at some point during my stay in Sin City. There is a workspace where you can take care of a few things. And best of all, there is a mini fridge for your own personal use. This room was on the 19th floor and came with a view of the high roller Ferris wheel and the Las Vegas Sphere. Down there is stage door. The bathroom was nothing special. It was small and tight. It had a decent amount of counter space. And I do like having the individual servings of toiletries, as opposed to the large containers of shampoo attached to the wall. In the shower, there were no problems with the water pressure or temperature. Tap one of these boxes up here for more of that fabulous Las Vegas content. Hit that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.